obwakabaka wa Buganda. Bannabulungi bw'ensi mwenna balamusiza nnyo. Oweekitiibwa Minisita Ssaabasajja yansiimye okwogera kwange kutuuse mu Lungereza kutegeerekeke bulungi mu ggwanga lyonna. Olukulu lw'ensonga ya bulungi bwansi club mu masomero. My name is Yalina, omuzaana wa Kabaka in Primary 1, year 2025. At Winter Primary School, Chevand. I am honored to stand before you today to talk about bulungi bwansi. Under the theme, abaana bateeketeeke mu bulungi bwansi gemaanyi ga Buganda. In Buganda's heart, where we reside, we are launching bulungi bwansi club side by side, a call to action to make our community shine. As young people, we are often told that we are the future leaders of our community. But I believe that we don't have to wait until we are older to make a difference. We can start now. We are the change. We will make Uganda proud. We will rearrange the way we live, the way we care for our community, our home and our air. Bulungi bwansi is more than just a community cleanup initiative. It is also about building a sense of community and pride in who we are and where we come from. It's a call to action for all of us to take pride in our community and to work together to make it a better place.